There are two. Those are the two. The one is exaltation. The other is elevation. For you to live every day, how would you like to enjoy time given? In your daily life, of course, you have some chances to experience some sort of exaltation. For instance, when you listen to nice music, when you listen to a piece of classical music, if there's nothing poisoned in your heart, you have some chances to be exalted. You feel gorgeous enough. You feel, of course, beautiful enough in listening to music. Then you have the experience of exaltation. Elevation is different from exaltation. To be elevated, human beings really need to experience necessary processes. Do you feel 1 month is enough for you to experience elevation? 1 year is reasonable enough for you to experience elevation. As for you to be elevated, you need to cleanse yourself. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Every day, I'd like you to cleanse all the components of your existence as one of human beings. Through cleansing all of components of your existence, then you should be privileged to have and privileged to be spiritually elevated. Accordingly, I can tell to experience elevation is a long time journey. You need so many years to experience elevation beautifully.